Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study EEE engineering. Start by building a solid foundation in mathematics and physics, as these are the bedrock of electrical and electronics engineering. Focus on understanding core concepts like calculus, differential equations, and electromagnetism. Practice applying fundamental laws, such as Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's laws, to various circuit problems. Consistent practice is key to developing strong analytical and problem-solving abilities in this field. Beyond theory, practical application is crucial. Engage actively in laboratory sessions and personal projects to solidify your understanding of theoretical concepts. Consider exploring specialized areas that interest you, such as power generation, control systems, or microelectronics. Developing proficiency in programming languages like Python or C++ will also be incredibly beneficial for tasks like data analysis and embedded system design. Leverage a variety of resources to enhance your learning. Textbooks provide in-depth knowledge, while online courses offer flexible learning paths. Don't hesitate to consult academic journals for cutting-edge research. Collaborating with classmates in study groups can clarify difficult concepts and offer new perspectives. Additionally, seeking guidance from professors or industry mentors can provide invaluable insights and career advice. The field of EEE engineering is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is essential. Make an effort to stay informed about emerging technologies and industry trends through various publications and online forums. Attending workshops, seminars, and professional conferences can also provide excellent networking opportunities and expose you to new ideas. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your daily life and study environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.